All right, on the bacon, it's been cured. It's pork bacon, pork belly bacon. We got us some all-purpose flour, like AP flour. We're gonna put some on this bacon, just a little bit. Y'all know what we going for. You know what we like. The crispification, baby. This AP flour on this bacon, I promise you, this is a good trick a buddy of mine showed me a long time ago. A different level of crispification. On this sandwich, we got to have the crispification, baby. You know your cast iron ready when you see this little smoke kicking up off of it. Just like that. Make sure all the bacon is making contact. Just like that. You want the bacon to make good contact with this. And let it do its thing. Crispification, baby. I told you, it's not gonna take long on this breakfast sandwich. Enjoying ourselves. Oh, look at the crispification right here. This is what I'm talking about. And you let all this fat render. You're gonna let the fat render off this bacon. It'll keep the sausage from sticking also. It's got the crispy edges and all that. We're gonna go with the pork belly bacon. Oh yeah, baby. I gotta stand up for this one. Come here. Listen, good people. I love you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. You know we always total loco when you on Jam Pack Cooking with Chef Ray, Mr. Money. And I hope we serve you well today, nothing short of what we do. Until next time, y'all stay jamming and cooking right here from Mr. Money, Chef Ray. Love y'all. Come on in there, give me a hug. Get on in there. Get on in there.